Today let us discuss about the anterior division of mandibular nerve. It passes through the otic ganglion. It supplies tensor valli palatini, tensor tympani, medial pterygoid muscle in the upper side of the cheek, and in lower side it applies masticatory muscles, lateral pterygoid muscle, temporalis, masseter, and buccal muscle, which is sensory in function, sensitive to buccal mucosa, and Pierce buccinated but didn't show any function to it. Do not supply it. I will give one mnemonic to remember: MY means mylohyoid muscle, M means masseter, masticatory muscles that include medial pterygoid, lateral pterygoid, temporalis, masseter. A include anterior belly of digastric muscle. T include tensor valli palatini and tensor tympani. If you have any doubts, please message in the comment section. Thank you.